That was your... We should really call the authorities, because someone...
Hey, one little prick from this, you know what happens?
Yes!
Your blood congeals, clogging your veins. You bleed out of your...
I said yes!
Weak ass.
Stop!
I'm taking that case.
Give it!
I was promised my money.
By who?
Don't know, it was all online. They said my money was in the case.
What, someone paid you to have the kid killed with its own ransom? Wow, that's dark. That is dark. Stop!
The hornet stings.
Lady, you can have the case.
Oh, but you've seen my face.
"30 seconds before the venom does its thing." Oh. Oh, man, do you have a backup?
What do you think?
Man. You don't have another one? You gotta be better prepared. I'm mansplaining again. I'm sorry, it doesn't... Can I get you something? You don't seem like a religious person. Water? Would you like some water? No? You want a blanket? You want me to hold your hand? Karma is a... Between us now sits a wall. But it's an illusion. For within every wall awaits a window. Oh wait, it's a door.
Real quick, every day is headache with you, isn't it?
Right. You and your partner.
I'm lemonade tangerine.
Okay, lemon, like the fruit?
Blessings. What's your plan here?
Here's the plan. I give you back your case, you don't kill me. You give your case to an employer, he doesn't kill you. You're alive, I'm alive, everyone's happy. Win-win, don't you think?
How do you know whoever hired you won't kill you for failing your job? Lose-lose, no happy.
Man, I just want to get off this train and go see a Zen garden and some shit, you know?
I'd like to accept your offer.
Great.
But then you went and killed someone, didn't you?
How did you know?
Wasn't exactly so.
It was an accident. Tragic.
That's
bizarre, even.
Cool story, bro, but I think you had your own plans of getting out of here with that case.
No.
Pinning the body on us, hoping the White Death is so busy cutting off our arms instead of cutting off our fingers. It's like Thomas the Tank Engine always says, simple is better.
The kid show?
Yes, the f***ing kid, man. I learned everything about people from Thomas. Everything.
Really?
That's how I can read people like you so well, and you are Diesel.
I am not a diesel.
You're the dieselest diesel that
Not even close.
diesel that I've ever seen in my life, man. Because diesels bluff. They go too far.
Man, I'm trying to get diesels out of my life, you know?
If there was a gun under this table, yeah? I'd be as dead as that kid over there.
Huh?
Joburg. Shot number 3.
No. I ain't got the time or the patience, let alone the interest. Are you following me? Stop!
Eat a bag of lady. I'm sorry. I'm working on it. I know who killed the kid.
I couldn't give a rat's ass.
I would love a bottle of water. That's the one. Thank you.
ありがとうございました。
Sure.
失礼します。
You sure you want to talk this out?
Not particularly, no.
Okay. I know who killed the kid.
Yeah, where is he then?
He's on this train.
Well, that narrows it down then, doesn't it?
Something's happening.
Excuse me.